So I would define architecture per se as to be the practice of innovation, because we design the future. What we do is project all our work into the future and building our future reality. So I think first of all you have to separate into two categories, because one thing is the planning side of architecture and the other one is the building side of architecture, right? So here we are in a surrounding where we're actually building, right? So if we talk about the planning side, I think it will be able to automate it, and it's already happening to an extent, let's say to 90% if you want to put a number to it, because the dream should be that this digital tools that we have at our disposal now become so seamlessly, and it will be so easy to implement thoughts and realize what we do as a planning task, basically automatically steered by our own thought and by discussions we have with clients first. And then when we talk about the construction side, there are so many different things, but if we talk about automation of building itself, I think everybody has seen by now the 3D printed houses, you know? So if this gets the same development of so many things that we've seen in the past and exponentially gets more automated, more digitalized, there might be a moment where building can actually be done automated by robots, at least to some extent. There's one common trap that they like to go into, is when they think that innovation is something that you can simply add on to a project or buy, right? So if you really want to do an innovational project or an innovation project, you have to start from the very beginning and the very first thought about defining what innovation is for you and what innovation is in the context that your project is in, right? So what are the parameters, the key parameters that define innovation in that area, and how do I bring that into my project from the very first beginning?